If you accidentally deleted a photo on your iPhone, it's no problem because there are 4 different ways that we can recover those photos even if they are permanently deleted. So let me walk you through all of those now. The first thing we're going to do is tap on the Photos app on your iPhone. Let's check to make sure if you've deleted it and it's been within 30 days, you can just recover it from that Photos app. So tap on Collections at the bottom left. Scroll down until you find Utilities and tap on that. And then tap on Recently Deleted. You'll be able to see all of your recently deleted photos. Just tap on Select at the top right. Select one of these images. Tap on the 3 dots at the top right and just choose Recover and Recover Photo. This will bring back those photos. However, this only works if you deleted it and it's been within 30 days. Another option you have to be able to recover them is to check if there is an iCloud option, basically to download it back to your phone from iCloud. To do that, tap on the Settings app on your iPhone, tap on your name at the top, and then tap on iCloud midway down. From here, tap on Photos, and you can see Sync This iPhone is turned on. All I need to do is toggle this off and then choose Download Photos and Videos. Keep in mind, you might not have enough space on your iPhone to be able to download all of those, but if you do, all you need to do is download those to see if there's a copy within your iCloud that'll be downloaded to your iPhone. Now, another option, if this doesn't work, or if you don't have enough space to be able to download all of those, is open up a web browser and just go directly to iCloud.com. From here, you're going to sign into your Apple ID account. And after you've done that, just tap on Photos here. You'll be able to see all of the photos that are associated with your iCloud. To download any of these, if you wanted to get them, just tap on the photo and then tap on the 3 dots at the top right here. And there is Download. Just choose Download and it will download this to your device. Just choose the Download option. Now, the last place that we're going to look is in case you have Google Photos, that might have a backup of that photo as well. So let's open up a new tab and just go directly to photos.google.com and hit search. You'll be able to see it will pop up with all of your Google Photos and check to see in here if there is that deleted photo. If you do find the deleted photo, you can just tap on it. Tap on the 3 dots at the top right, and then just choose Download. And again, choose Download to download it to the Files app on your iPhone. From here, you can just swipe down and type in the Files app, open it up, and find that deleted photo now that it's been recovered. I hope this helps. I know you're busy, so thanks for spending a little bit of your day here with me, and I hope to catch you on the next one.